ngiyazi ukuthi nakanjani khona elinye ighost futhi engizolithola just to
Kaya kwa Gifted Media. You know I'm always booming with a boom quartet igama Gift Mabunda bafowethu niyazi I'm your favorite. If you didn't make this show to be your favorite and this home to be your favorite, please make sure you are making this home to be your favorite by subscribing. Click the button and subscribe and make sure everything that we post you are tuning in bafowethu. And also I won't forget the support that you are giving us. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I don't take it granted. I know many people supporting this channel ngendlela eziningi, so I really appreciate you guys by watching and sending and commenting. And also as we start again, please let me know where are you watching us from. Let me know. KZN, Cape Town. I see many people from Cape Town, but I want to see it very well. Who is watching more than others? So please, bafowethu, whenever you're watching, let me know where are you watching from. But anyway, as you know, angihlali ngedwa, ngihlala ngenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngihlala no somebody. Sibuya evikini lamaphasika lapho uJesu wabethelwa esiphambanweni noma washayelwa esiphambanweni for our sins. I also want to pass this message to you. If ungenayo uJesu, make sure you accepted Christ. And I believe ukuthi ekubethelweni kwakhe ubebethelwa mina nawe. So make sure you accept Christ as your Lord and your Savior. And thank God ukuthi sibuye siphephile kumaphasika. I know we are coming from different places, but we appreciate God. It's not by power, it's not by might, by the Spirit of the living God. Anyway, guess ngihleli nobani phakathi kwethu. Allow me to welcome the special woman in this world, the special woman in this platform, the special woman in this moment, the woman of the moment. Welcome, Mama, egameni kaJesu.
Thank you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga Gift welcome.
Yes.
Egama likaJesu. Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Just to make abalaleli, I know bayakwazi abalaleli. I know those people who are watching, I'm sure they know you. Just to let them, who are you and where are you from, ukhulelepi?
Okay. Mina igama lami nguSibongile wakaNkabinde.
Yes.
Ngisibongile wakaNkabinde. Ngokukhula ngikhulele eMlapo. Ngisebenza Johannesburg Metropolis. I'm a traffic officer. Traffic officer for the past 22 years now. Yes, ngingakusho for now.
Ubuya apha emakhaya?
Ekhaya kuse eMlapo.
eMlapo.
Yeah, ikasi lami balibiza ukuthi eMlapo kuseMgababa, eSoweto. Actually Soweto.
Soweto.
Yes.
Okay, manje uhlala khona futhi eSoweto.
Yes, ngihlala eSoweto.
Shout out to lapho eSoweto. Sesifikile.
Ikasi lami laseMgababa.
Yes, eMgababa.
Yeah.
Sifikile eMgababa. Sihleli naye umama uSibongile. Sibongile bani Sibongo?
Sibongile wakaNkabinde.
WakaNkabinde. Esika mama noma esika baba?
Esika baba uNkabinde.
Yes.
Umama yena uzalo kwaNtuli.
Okay.
Yes.
uNkabinde akusumndebele?
No.
Umzulu.
But
uNtuli nginesiqiniseko
ukuthi
waseMandrebeleni.
Awulutho.
Hayibo.
KZN.
Kunontuli eKZN.
Exactly.
Wow.
Both my parents babuya eKZN. Bahlangane eKZN. And then I remember ubaba meka xoxa indaba yakhe ukuthi wasuka from eKZN wazosebenza ngapha eGoli. And then bekahlala eJosh Gqokh.
Okay, ngiyayibona Josh Gqokh like yes.
Before kuba khona ikasi Soweto before bokuyiJosh Gqokh hostel bebahlala lapho.
Yes.
And then bekasebenza lapho emafemini. And then wathatha umama ke from ekhaya. Njengonkosikazi wakhe ke wamthatha wazohlala naye eJosh Gqokh hostel.
Wow.
Up until mase kuphuma izindlu ke during those apartheid times mekuphuma izindlu eBoma Soweto kwaba khona imgababa, kwaba khona amakasi nje amaningi. So mina abazali bami ke bona basala ke bathola indawo eMgababa.
eMgababa.
From Josh Kohos.
Yes.
Yes.
Ku intro yakho kunento okhohle ukuyimensiona that you are an author of these books.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
And what's the name of the book?
It's a
Dice
Dice of Despair.
of Despair.
Yes.
Yes, I think indaba yethu izoqala khona lapho ubhale incwadi which is very interesting even though ngakayifundi. But I want to give a shout out la sikubone khona the dinner with Ndlovos.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, umama simthole ku dinner with Ndlovos. Yeah, Ndlovos. Yeah, this is my friend. If angimentionanga kahle sesoyikhuluma ukuthi mfowethu, how much can I just lobola that? But anyway, I want to give a shout out to the dinner with Ndlovos, which is a radio station that giving a great impact, especially at Fosloras. This is one of our radio, Fosloras online, Fosloras, led by Mr. Tepo and Mrs. Thembi Ndlovu. And also, I think uma ufuna ukuyithola, I think you need to go. It's an online radio. I see CCR 247. So make sure ukuthi I'll also try to post link yakhona so that you will get to know the shows. They are posting very interesting shows. Iyadlala every Tuesday and Thursday 8 to 9. Yes. Sibona ukuthi basiphatheleni uMr. Tepo, Mrs. Thembi Ndlovu. But anyway, we are here today. Ubhale incwadi and I heard ukuthi kuningi nje ongasitshela khona. But anyway, I want you ukuthi feel free ususekhaya manje.
Okay.
Yeah, I want you to unpack. I had interest ku story sakho, but I want to know, how did you started gambling?
Okay. Uqala kwami gambling, I can say ngaqala imncane. I was very young. Bengisafunda isikolo.
Okay.
But that time it was just for fun because I was just playing cards. And then I remember ku-matric bengumuntu odlala nabafana kakhulu isikhathi esiningi. Like
Okay.
I felt like comfortable ebafaneni but ngiyintombazane, and then ngafunda ukudlala idice
Okay.
from ku-matric esikolweni. Bese ngidlala idice, ngidlala ikhadi, and then sithe isikhathi mesihamba, I think ngaboma 2000 ama-casino bewaqala ukuba legalized ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Okay.
And then my mom was the first lady eSoweto organize a trip to Sun City in Rustenburg. So mina was helping my mom ngama trip, like abantu abahambayo, and then I'll be a secretary, and then ngaqala kanjalo ke ukuhamba casino, ngihamba nomama nama friends. And then I remember first day mina casino ngawina, yes. And
Wow.
I think I was 21. Kufika kwami lapho, and yes, iwin yakhona, it was a big win, and I was like, yo, idice dele ngidlale lokishini ayidisa kancane, and like casino kunendawo eso, like
Sure.
indawo engajwayelekanga, and
Sure.
it's a like now moyibheka indawo yama big shot, you like,
Wow.
here's the easy money for me. So no more playing cards ekasi, no more ukuthi ngizodlala idice lasekasi, nayi imali eseduzane
Casino.
and casino inemali elula.
Sure.
So from that day, I'll never forget.
You won how much?
I think it was 30,000.
Yo.
And by that time, 30,000, it was a lot of money.
Wow, really?
It
really?
was a lot. Ngabo year 2000. And yeah, ngiyakhumbula bengumuntu ngiyazi ukuthi that money ngiyobhekela abantwana bakithi ke. Yes.
Sure. So then you started by winning that
I started by
30,000.
winning that 30,000.
Yeah.
And ama trips bewaba, I think uma besamba every month. And I was like, yo inyanga iphela nini ukuthi umuntu aye laphaya. But you know, isikhathi mesamba, okay, bengingasena win le, uyiwine ngisaqala.
Yes.
But it was that win nje because bengiya manje angisena mali ukuthi mhlambe khona imali la ngithatha khona ukuthi maybe ngiyogembula ngaleso sikhathi, but benginayo nje imadlanyana because bengithengisa esikolweni. I was
Okay.
selling ama biscuit esikolweni, and I was making money ke ngemali yamakhekhe.
Wow.
So that money ile mali bengihamba ngayo mama meka keep ama trip, ngiyazi ukuthi nami nginemadlanyana, but nje yabona nje yeah
Yo.
qala nje kanjalo
Isikolo yini igama laso?
bengifunda eSinawane secondary school
I'm sure bayakhumbula abazalwane
yo
basesinawa.
akekho kangikhumbuli because bekune popular name bebangibiza ngomkhozi
Mkhosi.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
because
I
you were
used-
selling
I
that
was
time.
selling and I was like business yam was booming.
Okay. So when come now you are gambling, you become an addict of e-gambling. So how did it start? Take us to the journey where lapho usuqala
La
ukuba
sengiqala khona
addicted.
ukuba addicted.
Yes.
Okay. I can say ngikhuliswe umama nobaba. They were very close and ngasho ngithi ngangiclose mina kakhulu nobaba because abantwana basekhaya 5 bale bahamba baye boarding school. So and including abafana. So mina ngaba unumber 6 osalayo ngisalele emuva and ukusala kwami ngiyintombazane and I think ngaba close kakhulu kubaba.
Okay.
So kubaba it was like ngazuthi ngumfana wakhe. So everything bekayenza bengimdala bengihamba naye mekiwa kuphi up until ubaba zagule.
Okay.
And then ukugula kwababa I think that thing hit hard
Sure.
and angizange khona ukuthi ngigrieve like for leso sikhathi ukuthi ngikhona ukubekezelela ukuthi nangu baba vela akasekho like yaba ishock and kuba ishock kuyo azange ngifuna ukuthatha ubuhlungu bayo ngaqala ngaphuza utshwala.
Sure.
Yeah, iphini yami ngiyakhumbula bengikhiphela etshwaleni and ngikhiphela kuphi manje casino. Casino was like mengilapha like kune life. Casino kune life. And ithe ubaba mengaqeda ukushona it was 2003 and then mina ngo 2004 maybe after 2 months ubaba qeda ukushona ngathola umsebenzi ukuba iphoyisa.
Okay.
And ukuthi before washona bekahlala ngitshela vele ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ube iphoyisa like you know traffic office.
Yes.
But after 2 months ke wayenzeka the way isifiso sakhe bangibiza ke JMPD ungena kwami JMPD bese ngiqala manje ngiba nani salary
Yes.
every month and manje sengiqala ini alcohol
Okay.
and sengiqala ukwenzani manje gambling like mengikholile nje sengiyazi ukuthi yazini ngiphuza utshwala
How much boyithola leso sikhathi?
ngiyagembula yo ngihola it was I think bengisaqala ukuhola bengisaqala kuboma 15,000-16,000
Hey, amaphoyisa nemali ne.
2004 and besaseningi ke ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Okay.
But ke I think ngoba uqala kwami ke sengiba addicted salary yami sengiyayithatha ngifaka lapha like sengihlala ngidakiwe like ngihlala yabo
Yes.
umholo wami but every month bengihola seyaqala manje lento seba inkinga ukuthi
So uyahamba uyogembula.
sengihamba manje sengiyagembula sengikwazi nokuhamba futhi sengiyoboleka imali ke manje.
Wow.
Obviously yaqala igambling so yaqala manje kwenzakalani uba nekoloto. Ikoloto meziqala it's like once waqala kumashonisa we1 uzongena kubo bonke. Uzongena emabank uboleka imali each and every bank awusayibhadali.
Yo.
Obviously mongasabhadala amabank ula ke ungena kakhulu kuma loan sharks.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Mashonisa.
mashonisa.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's how ke ngaba deep like ngalo ndlela but I couldn't tell anyone nanokuthi hey man I'm going through a lot lento kababa ngikhonanga ukuyikhipha.
So gambling now is being increasing because ile grief kababa.
Ile grief kababa engibalekelayo ukuthi ngivume. I
Yo.
remember nje azange ngize ngivume. I was like ish ngiyastafisa mengiqala nje ngicabanga lento it's like mele ngidlulise ukuthi ngiphuze ngizithole ngisecasino la kunomsindo la kune like la kunabantu
Kune vibe.
Like, bengizifuna nje la kunabantu khona. Yeah.
Sure.
So I was going deeper and deeper and deeper and then I remember ngilongiba deep kanjalo along the way emsebenzini ngathola ipartner.
Boyfriend.
Yeah, boyfriend. Ngathola boyfriend and mengithola boyfriend nami ethanda utshwala. It's like sidangane ngokufana ethanda fun. So nami I was fun and then up until ngiba pregnant and then ekubeni pregnant kwami boyfriend ngiyakhumbula bengazi ukuthi ngiyagembula.
Okay.
And then pregnancy yami waqala walobola ke sekabona pregnancy nayo. But still ngiloko pregnant I'll go like ngiya casino but ngingamtsheli. Up until okay we bought a house together naye boyfriend planning ukuthi okay after maqeda ukulobola obviously kuzoba nomshado along the way and then ngihamba kanjalo I was highly pregnant ngiyakhumbula highly pregnant bengabe casino mina.
Okay.
But boyfriend yami ke that time bengazi but ke behlali worried ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lo hlala nganamani
Sure.
kwenzakalani and sesihlala together and we need to share ama responsibilities mina naye so I couldn't share bekamangala ukuthi hey like ikoloto zami ziyaphayilapa every time manje isikhathi mesami sekunabantu abakokotayo bazofuna imali zabo and like hlala thukile manje ukuthi kanjani lo muntu lo sekufika abantu bazofuna imali zabo like kanjani kwabona ngiyasaba ngasho isikhathi ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi ngiyagembula like uyiqala kanjani into enjalo ukuthi utshele umuntu ukuthi angikhona ukubhadala itransport yabantwana because of ngiyagembula
Okay.
angikhona ukukherisa abantwana because of ngiyagembula it's like igambling akusinto ekhulunywa ngayo and akusinto omunye umuntu ongayi-understand ukuthi akutshele ukuthi isalary yonke iphelele kuphi
Gambling.
egambling
Sure. The casino.
ekhasini up until isikhathi mesihamba ke and then he decided naye ukuthi hayi angeke ngize ngihlale nonkosikazi so like this is scary like it was futhi nje angifuni ukumblame or this was very strange kuye naye and like he couldn't take it
Sure.
and wavele nje wathi hayi yazini cela ukuthi siyekele and indaba yakhona I remember zange izikhulumeke naku family naku because it was something like strange yeah I remember nanoma sekuzanywa ukuthi okay makube nomhlangano ke kukhulunywa ukuthi yini reason ukuthi wena usibongile ukuthi hayi so right ngaye he couldn't even talk like
Sure.
waphela nje
Sure.
phela kanjalo and I had ukuthi ngithatha abantwana because lo mncane bekesekhona and bekangithole vele nginomntwana
Okay.
omdala but by that time I think ifirstborn yami bina 4 years yeah so I had ukuthi ngithatha abantwana and go back home
Okay.
yeah ngiyele ekhaya ngiyohlala nomama and I had to explain nakumama ukuthi ngibuyeleni ngibuye kanjani ngoba noma ngithi ngiyam-explainela
Ayihlangana.
ayihlangani because nawe uyagembula but I understand ukuthi iyaba kanti this thing yakhula
Nomama nayo yagembula.
yeah my
Okay.
mom was a gambler hence I've said ukuthi uye bekaqala ukhipha ama-trip so ku-gambling I think yonke into I think abanye abantu ababi-addicted because my mom was an active gambler bekaya nje ngaleso sikhathi but I think yena bekangekho that addicted the way mina bengakhona
Okay.
but ke ukubuya kwami vele I was like yo mele ngibuyele ekhaya and ngiyolala ekamereni nomama babona iphoyisa elizolala ekamereni
Sure.
up until a friend of mine angibize angitshela ukuthi you know what my friend kunendawo engitholele yona indawo yasekhaya ihlala umuntu you can come uzopholisa ikhanda kuleyo ndawo
Okay.
at least uhlale lapho but nalapho angizange ngikhona ukupholisa ikhanda Like,
Sure.
I think ngaba more than ngaba worse like ngangena worse ke ngaba deep lokho ukuthi umngane indawo le bekanginikeze yona I ended up mina futhi ngifuna omunye umuntu like I had another friend that friend ke bekayazi inkinga zami kakhulu you know kunokuba nabangane esibanabo bazoyazi inkinga zakho and abanokuthatha neadvantage inkinga zakho it's like you are basically selling your soul to that friend momtshela indaba zakho noma yena kuyenzela you know so I think I remember angibiza ngitshela ukuthi uphelele indawo yena la hlala khona and I was like you know what mina ngihlala ngisemakhasini so you can come uzohlala kule ndawo and then wena you'll pay the rent again
To you.
yeah I think agreement yethu yeah kwakuthi uzobhadala i-rent no not even him
Okay.
I was like mina ngiyahluleka ngithi ukuyibhadala ku-friend and it was just a smaller yana rent because umngane wami wayengizwela nje ukuthi angibhadalisi i-rent ukuthi ini you just paying nje for ama-rates kuphela and then ngamcela ke lo ngathi take care of indawo and then wena ufake imali nje ku-account la nami bengifaka khona
Sure.
but unfortunately that friend she ended up betraying me azange aze abhadale that agreement azange saba khona instead yes like she twisted every procedure
Wow.
up until nami ngase nginamahloni ukuya kumngani wami lo wangitholela indawo ukuthi ngihlale, because I think isikhathi mesihamba naye wathola ukuthi hawu lo mngani ngimnikeza indawo ukuthi ahlale la
but
akakhokhi and akasahlali lapha mekaya kusho ukuthi umngane akasangitholi lapha, sekathola bani
ufriend.
uthola ufriend and ufriend seka-take over.
Sure.
It was bad. Yeah.
So then comes to imali. Now the friend uyakujikela. I hope now you should make some other means to get imali for gambling.
For gambling. Yes. Oh. And I will tell you, nokuthi uthola imali wenza ama means for that gambling. Ukuthi uhlala uthola ama loan shark.
Okay.
Like new suppliers abazokusupply ngemali. And then you end up, I remember I ended up vele tholi boyfriend. And once you get a boyfriend, ngiyakhumbula bengenza sure ukuthi ngine boyfriend engaziyo ukuthi izonginakekela, izonakekela abantwana, like izokhona nami nje ukuthi because ngiyazi ukuthi mina salary yami iphelela la iphelela khona.
Okay.
And by doing that ngiyakhumbula ukuthi I ended up ngiba kuma relationship lawa abusive.
Okay.
And noma ngiba kulo relationship abusive, I had to ukuthi ngihlale because ngihlalele ini ukuthi abantwana bamele badle.
Okay.
Nami at the end of the day mele ukuthi ngidle.
Yes.
Bengana ne cent, like like mewathi umuntu akana cent mara uyasebenza. But I look smart so sikhathi like bengihlala ke emuhle.
Sure.
Ongeke uzosho ukuthi kunenkinga, like there's a problem ethatha imali.
Sure.
But I will tell you ukuthi isikhathi sami esiningi ngiphile kuma abusive relationship because of bengifuna nje imali ukuthi ngiphile. And sometimes nakulawo ma abusive relationship uthola ukuthi because this addiction is very powerful, uyayithatha nemali lapho yala wazi khona ukuthi hey la mhlawumbe ngalimala kusasa or in, but I'll take that man ngiyogembula ngayo and then ngibuye futhi mele uhlala unamanga ngithi like mele uhlala ucabanga ukuthi okay after la ngizomtshela ukuthini, although wazi ukuthi hey zizobuya, but uzitshela ukuthi it's fine ngiyayimela as long as ngizolala ngidlile nabantwana bami bazolala badlile.
Yes. So now you are getting to a relationship, which you just mentioned the first, it was your partner, or ahlukana now because of umshado. And then now, manje you are getting a first boyfriend, and now, if first boyfriend, I don't know influence because he was bega abuser or.
Yeah. Phelele lapho vele ukuthi mase ngizoyekela ukugembula. I think ngayekela smart nasizavele nje zahlangana.
So after that now uqeda ukuyekela ufriend lo hlangana naye, the first one, the second one, ubusuhlala kuphi, the same place where bohlala khona or bohlala kuyi?
Bese ngihlala kuye, but sometimes I'll go ngebantwaneni because it was not far from home. Yeah. But bengizokuya nje ekhaya maybe ngilale one day ngaleso sikhathi, but most of my time bengu boyfriend.
Then we come after that boyfriend. How many girls did you date?
I'll tell you this, that boyfriend engikhuluma ngayo sizwane isikhathi eside sokuthi besizwana sihlukane.
Okay.
Sithi maybe mesihlukane uthola ukuthi sengithola omunye engaziyo ukuthi okay ngithole elinye ghost.
Okay.
Elizongiphusha nalo ukuthi okay thi ngihlale nalo vele ngizoya kuphi. Don't have a place to stay. I don't have to go back home ukuthi ngizothi ngiyohlala ekhaya ngiyolala ekamereni futhi ngiyothayila umama. Obviously ekhaya ngibuyele ekhaya ngathola ukuthi sekugcwele wonke umuntu seka occupyile. There's no way ukuthi mhlawumbe umunye umuntu uzothi ithi ngimchiftele or in, and I understood vele ukuthi okay sengikhulile vele angeke ngibuye emshadweni or ngibuya la ngibuya khona sengizochiftisa abantu. So bengithi mengixabane na the main boyfriend ngiyazi ukuthi na kanjani khona elinye ghost futhi ngizolithola just to survive. Ukuthi ngizozwana naye lo muntu ngisurvive and then mengixabana naloyo muntu ngiyabuyela futhi eghostini because ighost beline power and elazi vele ukuthi.
So in those ghosts that you were meeting no children, You always
children.
remain with that two.
I remained with that too.
Then come to the loan. Like ama-loan bowathola kuphi? Like bowushonisa kuphi imali?
Loan sharks. Yo, all over.
Okay.
Yeah, all over. Like, ukho wabona uzuza bathi kune loan shark yakuphi kuphi uyafika. And there was one thing about me, nanoma ngahlala nganamali, but imoto kumele ukuthi nakanjani ngihlale nginayo.
Okay.
Because imoto angithi yobe ngisa ukuthi
Casino.
ngikhona ukuthi mebathi casino mebathi kunomashonisa wakuphi kuphi, I drive there. Mebathi kuphi kuphi, you know. Sometimes I will sleep emotweni. Futhi I remember nje mengisaqeda nje ukuphuma emshadweni. Meka ngixosha boyfriend. Actually the first night, I'm sorry ukubuyela move. Like I remember maybe I spent 2 days semotweni. Go to the casino, impahla zami zisebhuthini ngithi. Casino, ngiyaphuma e-casino ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyachange. Nini maybe intathakusa. Like I respect abantu abasebenza futhi ema-garage.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll sleep e-garage. Bazonginesa abafana basema-garage like sister right, like you know, as friendly as I was. Abantu bebangangiboni ukuthi ngiyagowisha.
Sure.
Nasema-garage like I was that friendly, bazongiphatha kahle, bangigadela ayisigadile. You know, yeah, ngihlale nje.
Maybe irrespect, it was not coming because you ubuyiphoyisa as well emphakathini.
Most abantu bebangazi ukuthi ngiyiphoyisa.
Okay.
Yeah. Like nami ngikhule ngi-respect abazali bami. Like into yokuqala nje basifundisa yona ukuthi i-respect, it goes a long way. Unipha like kwasani, like you don't undermine omunye umuntu noma ngathi uyakoropa or wenzani. So mina my character I think ngisize ngaloko ukuthi ngibe nala ngikhona manje because bengi-respecta like yonke into.
Yeah. So emsebenzini bona they are not affected to attenda kahle.
Yo. Yabo emsebenzini ke it was worse.
Sure.
It was a nightmare. It was a nightmare because hence I'm saying ukuthi bengihlonipha and ngibukeka ngumuntu oright, but the behavior yami ihlala ikhuluma something else ukuthi lo muntu right and nini 2 weeks uyanyamalala. Abangazi ukuthi nguphi.
Sure.
I'm AWOL, phone angitholakali. Obviously phone angisebenzisi by that time ke iphone because iphone iringa umuntu ongifonelayo ayinyuka ukuthi umashonisa or umuntu nje ufuna imali yakhe. There's no hello, how are you? It was hello, when are you going to pay my money?
Sure.
Ngibhadala nini? So iphone bengasebenzi kimi. So emsebenzini bengatholakali, like I was booked, like bengiphila impilo bengekho right. And there was ukuthi mongayanga emsebenzini, you're not gonna get paid, obvious. And ngapho nekoloto.
Sure.
And if ungabhadalwanga emsebenzini, it's like ayukuthi ababhadalanga wena kuphela. That thing it affects yonke into nabantwana, transport money, everything. Ngihola uwe kuwe phela. So bekuba ukuthi every month angiholi. You know sometimes banokungibhukha noma sewukhona emsebenzini, it's like nanoma bokhona the whole month kubo it's like bongekho. Nini you are absent to them motu ubheka umholo. Angholanga. Like you can't even benganawo futhi nalawo mandla ukuthi ngizobuyela ngiyobuza ukuthi but this month bengikhona wena ngangibhadalanga. It was only last month. So it was up until I remember approach one of my supervisor, like
Okay.
big shot tingathi it's my superior obekangiphethe. And I remember that supervisor, he believed in me because umsebenzi bengushaya.
Okay. Since uyiphoyisa igebengu bosibamba.
Besides igebengu ngangako but being straight and yeah, bengenza into right mengisemsebenzini, ngiperforma right. And I went to this supervisor ngitshela ukuthi yazini angisakhoni. But that time I remember very bengasakhoni. I was like sengikoloda wonke umuntu and sengifike ekugcineni. And you know mokoloda wonke umuntu like koloda kwasani nomuntu ongamelanga umkoloda.
Sure.
Like nomntwana omncane.
Sure.
Like you know everyone oseduze kwakho uyamkoloda. And I was like yo, iplan yami yokugcina la yini ukuthi ngiresign. At least maybe ngiresign ngizothola le mali ngibhadale bonke labantu
Lamashonisa.
abomashonisa like yonke into engisindayo esemahlombe. And I went to the supervisor and wangitshela straight but no, you can't. But still nayo I couldn't tell him ukuthi nginenkinga ye-gambling because ayikhulumeki ukuthi ngizothi ngiyekela umsebenzi because of ngibhadala ikoloto ze-gambling. Like unamahloni ngayo lento le ayikhulunywa. And my supervisor, I remember wangithumela ku debt counseling.
Okay.
And I was like, no, I don't need debt counseling. Angifuni ukulalela. I need mine. Like I want mine.
I want to gamble.
I want to gamble and pay all these people. And I ended up vele ngayanga ke ku debt counseling leyo. But I remember kwafika nje uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi bekahlala kwabona afike nje kwesinye isikhathi ngimangale sekenzekile. And I think bokuyisikoloto esikhulu lesi sangenza ukuthi ngifuna ukuresign. And kanti kuzovela khona umama ngangisebenza naye bengisaqala ukusebenza.
Okay.
That woman naye bekanama problems. Sasinama problems C2. So sasikhona ukuxoxa C2. And I remember isikhathi mesamba naye bekanenkinga zama loan sharks. So isikhathi mesamba ngathola imali ukuthi ngeke ngaba involved ku accident kudala, and then I got my road accident fund money. That money naye ngayiblowa eCasino.
Sure.
Ekhaya futhi bebangayazi ukuyazi ukuthi ngathola imali engakho.
Sure.
But in that money portion yakhona ngabhadalela
Amamashonisa.
ngabhadalela umama.
Okay.
Yeah, lo obenginayo emsebenzini ngambhadalela naye ama loan shark wakhe. So nami ithe ke kule stage sasemsebenzini la ngifuna ukuresign wavela esikhaleni. Kanti naye beka ku divorce case what kanti bese finalize, and then naye wawuza ukuthi umhlobo wakhe lo wamgcina 5 years or 6 years back yimi loyo ngisenkingeni. And then she came through, and then ke wangibhadalela ke ama loan sharks and wabhadala those koloto engixakekile kuzo. Azange ke ngisayekele emsebenzini, but emsebenzini it was bad.
Sure.
Yeah, it was bad.
So in other words, emsebenzini you had bubone support oyitholayo emsebenzini?
Yo, I'll tell you, no, not at all.
Besides your umphathi wakho?
Besides umphathi wami, no. Benganayo mina support.
Because I'm sure ukuthi bebangazi.
Bebangazi. And I think ngiyacabanga ukuthi nanokuthi ngibhale incwadi. I think this book nayo bengenzela ukuthi mhlawumbe amehlo azovuleka nakweminye imisebenzi ukuthi ibehavior yomuntu kwesinye isikhathi you need to check. You don't just book that person ama AWOL. You don't just book lo muntu loyo ukuthi angaholi without even ukuthi ulandelele ukuthi this person ibehavior yakhe isuka kuphi izifike la. So I think nami la ngisebenza khona bengiba confuser, and I'm not blaming them, but kwesinye isikhathi ngangisho ngithi because manje sengi-right, and I was like yo hayi mhlambe mina if kuyimi bengizolandelela ukuthi why you a good officer so why ingeze emsebenzini.
Ingeze emsebenzini 2 weeks.
Yenziwa in 2 weeks a week lo muntu asimtholi yabo. But mina ekhasini yami angidonwana la akekho umuntu ele
wa notice and
wanothisa. I think yeah akekho uyi-one nje nakhona bengisasebenza la kule supervisor ngisho ukuthi yele yangisa ku debt counseling. I remember yangithumela because bokuyindoda ubaba, and then wangisa kwenye supervisor ewumama. And then le ewumama ke at least I think ngiyakhumbula ngaba close kancane kuyo, ngayichazela kancane. And then yona yangisa ku counseling yase la ngisebenza khona.
Okay.
And then unfortunately ku counseling la ngisebenza khona zange baze ba understand ukuthi gambling kune addiction.
Okay.
Ye gambling.
Sure.
Because kujwayeleke alcohol
nema substance abuse.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was a shock. And they were like, I remember they were paging pages to see okay, what is gambling addiction? What is
Sure.
And to me that thing yangisimoya. And I think I one guy 2 mengibuyela ngiyakhumbula that social worker afonela omunye ukuthi hayi nangubuyile futhi lo muntu lo ya.
Sure.
Ngoba le bakubiza lo muntu lo.
Sebenza ijoke into efana le.
It was a joke. And yangiphatha kabi ke vele.
Sure.
Like, yes, nangubuyile ngale yankinga lo muntu bengintshela ngaye, and I was like damn ngifuna uncedo la.
I-counseling le ihambelana nama umuntu oyiphoyisa but in meantime abe counseling or
No.
okay or amache plane.
Yeah, like we crush department, like for ranking, mhlambe if unenkinga with department, if you are depressed or if kanjani, yeah.
Okay, so then we come. I believe ukuthi most of gambling because we know masiye Jose Jimistini sithola amabhodlela amancane lapha yabhaliwe for casino ukuwina like those substance abasebenzayo azange uyithole like in a way ukuthi now say ugambler you never used one of yini big booster for gambling
So sure, amabhodlela
like product or uhambe sangoma.
no.
Okay,
Honestly, no. Azange
so what was in your trust bophupha or
awulutho bengine-belief, you know, your first win. I don't know ihlala kanjani emqondweni ukuthi
Okay.
ube na this picture
okay
ukuthi isazobuya that win. Imali yakho it's like basically now you are chasing your loss, ama-losses wakho sogijimisa wona ukuthi ngizoze ngubambe lo mshini ngizoze ngiyithole imali yami back, like you are chasing I was chasing my losses actually.
Sure. So now usu resignile emsebenzini. Usuphumile lapha emsebenzini uthola omunye umsebenzi futhi.
Angizange ngize ngiresign angithi.
Oh iwe supervisor
kwenye i-unit. Le unit ngangisebenza kuyo ngaleso sikhathi yele yaphela. The one with good supervisors abele bazama with debt counseling. And then ngaphuma kule unit angithi ya-shift ama-unit la ngisebenza khona. Ngisebenza ku-unit e-1 up until ngo-2016 ngajampela ke kwenye i-unit kula ke hayi lapho ke hayi lapho bezibuya ke.
How do you describe yourself spiritually manje ngoba awusekho addicted uma ungathiwa uyazidescribe umuntu obenjengawe like for abazalwane sizothi you were possessed like maybe abantu abakholelwa kwizinto abantu bangaphansi kunezinto abayishoyo ukuthi you never like try to describe yourself like what ungasho ukuthi bekwenzakalani entweni like in the spiritual realm.
Hey, mina angiyazi into so angazi ukuthi ngayichaza kuthini this
Okay.
thing. Because kuwabona kwesinye isikhathi bona ucabanga ukuthi kuba ngazi ukuthi amaloyo mara kusamaloyo.
Okay.
Kusamaloyo. It was just an addiction.
Okay.
And manje ngoba ngasegembuli I think it was a test. Ngile ngafika ukuthi mhlambe bokuyitest le or bokuyini but angazi ukuthi ngayichaza kanjani this thing, but this thing was very deep. Because ngiyakhumbula bekufika ikhathi kaningi ikhathi zifika ukuthi ngathi ungazibulala because
Okay.
akusena way man so sekugcineni like usekugcineni lokho ukuthi yo I don't know ngazi ukuthi nje ungaphumula. So into engachazeki nje le but yes this was deep.
Then we come to your children azange ba affected bona.
Ba affectile kakhulu because remember ngihlalanga nabo. Abantwana bami bebakhulisa umama.
Okay.
Because my mom was the only person who understand ukuthi kusho ukuthi umntana wami addicted vele kulento, although naye bekangayi understand but bekangibona bekathi ngangibheka because I will cry ngikhala kakhulu because it's like bengijunkie yabo umuntu udla ama drugs like i-drug addict ne-gambling addict siyafana.
Okay.
Just that ama drug badonsa amathini bayenzani and then yethu it's ngaphakathi but into one ngobona umuntu wama drugs craving yabo ne craving yethu yafana.
Sure.
So umama bekangibona because this thing beyinokungivusa nasebusuku.
Sure.
2 o'clock uvuke nje ushaya imoto uhambe ekhasini. Like that thing was not normal. And then uzongifonela noma ngiqeda ukuphuma ukuphi. It's like noma ngibuya but ke yena wagcina sekayithandazisa. I think naye ibona vele ukuthi umntanami kusho ukuthi usenkingeni but she took care of abantwana.
Okay.
Bekayenza sure ukuthi baye esikolweni balala badlile but nami ke mengiphandile because la bengihlala khona njengoba ngisho ukuthi bengihlala kuma boyfriends and ngithola imali I'll make sure ukuthi imali engitholayo ngilahlela kumama ukuthi just azame bakhulisa nokubathengela those things abazinidayo.
Sure. So how they were affecting them like affected kanjani esikolweni normal like what was happening?
Yo esikolweni I remember lo omdala I had ukuthi ngimchange isikolo because bekafunda esikolweni esi-right mengiqala ukusebenza ngamfaka esikolweni esi-right like a very good school, and then I had ukuthi ngimchange isikolo during phakathi nje nonyaka esikhaleni. Obviously ama-meeting angiwa-attendi, school fees angisasibhadali sesikolo every month, like into ekumele ngiyenze yomntwana ayenzakali up until tholi letter vele esikoleni ukuthi obviously kumele aphume esikolweni. So eyambreaka umntwana naleyo ngisasene picture yakhe like meka khala uthi mama why like ngiphumeleni lapha kulesa sikolo. And I had ukuthi ngimchange ngimbuyisele esikolweni seduze like nasekhaya.
Sure. So like in other words bese bamise esikoleni sama slow learner.
Not sama slow learner, ngisho ngithi Thimbo bekafunda esikoleni ngizothini multiracial besibiza kanjalo. Yeah, so I had ukuthi ngimbuyise elokishini.
Okay.
Yeah, ukuthi azofunda elokishini, but uma bekayenza sure ukuthi shem baba right, like bekaba treater like right. Ukuthi bangafeel ukuthi umama bakekho, but nami ke bengiba present ke ngalo ukuthi imali mengitholile once a week ngiyavela, twice a week ngiyavela ngizobona, but ke yeah.
Sure. So now come ukuthi nangu umama ukukhulisela abantwana which ugogo usaphila
uqeda kushona manje una a month eqeda kushona. I think 4 weeks back besimncwa.
4 years back.
4 weeks back.
Wow, it's a recently thing.
Just before incwadi iphuma.
Yo, may his soul rest in peace. Then come to ilo angifuna like start gambling sibeke la, and I want you, let's say kunabantu who are in a gambling right now, and labantu abaku gambling asibazi as much ukuthi a police station labo sebenza khona emsebenzini bebangazi ukuthi bo behave kahle. Yeah, so uma ungasho ama symptoms we gambling aqale kanjani?
Ama social group emsebenzini if umuntu ufuna ukubona ama symptoms,
like not everywhere, even
everywhere.
In the family. Yes.
Ama symptoms umuntu ogambulayo. Number 1 uhlala nganamali. That thing nje it's sign number 1. Uhlala nganamali, uhlala nama excuse, uhlala absent. That person uhlala absent, like mina bengayi kuma family gatherings bonke kungithole, funerals wabo bani bonke kungithole, like yonke indawo nje angeke uzungithola. So
Okay.
first sign nje ukungabi nemali.
Sure.
It's a very big sign.
Esebenza kahle futhi.
Asebenza kahle. Lo muntu nje wanthi waqala umbona boleka imali, or aqala ya kubo mashonisa. Umuntu ya kumashonisa umuntu osekahlula ibank. Awuyi kumashonisa, obviously ibank ikunikeza interest encane ubhadala imali kancane. So if so uhlulekile ebank, umuntu bombona nje kumashonisa wazi ukuthi sekangcolile ebank.
So sorry to take you back on this, but I want more about your children. Ukuthi I believe most of people who are gambling banabantwana. Yeah, so let me say you go back to the time you were gambling. Iziphi izinto ocabanga ukuthi awuzenzelanga abantwana bakho?
Yo. Okay, ngaqala nje ngale. Ibhlungu nje ukuba umzali ukuba umzali. Ube nabantwana uyagembula.
Okay.
I remember mina khona la ke lokafikeleka khona ukuthi angisakhona ukuzibamba nini kumele ngibathathe ngiye nabo ekhasini.
Sure.
Kumele ngibafundisa amanga ukuthi ningakhulumi, like ningatsheli umuntu, and that thing basayikhumbula namanje. Ukuthi antsheli umuntu ukuthi siye ekhasini nomama, and bazolova nasesikolweni. And bengithi ngiyayicabanga nje futhi that thing ekhasino labo bantwana bengasabantwana bami kuphela. Almost all the gamblers kwabo mama abantwana bethu besizana bekhasino, and there's a place yabantwana ekhasino, and that place idlala abantwana bethu thina segembula kufanele ukuthi crash yabo bahlala lapho up until kuze kube yintatha.
Sure.
understand ekuseni ukuthi abantwana baye esikolweni bahluleke ukuya esikolweni bazovuka kanjani kwesikolweni nabantwana kusho ukuthi uhambe nabo nawe usekhasini like baningi abantwana abasemakhasini abahamba nabazali babo okwama addicts and
Sure.
and it's sad into engayisho le ibhlungu.
Then like kusho ukuthi bohamba nabekhasini like isikhathi ama homework basithola kuphi if basekhasini?
Yo, hence I'm saying ukuthi this addiction is very powerful because awicabangi ezumzali lonto leyo ukuthi labantwana bazobhala nini. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi nini kumele ukuthi balove isikolo.
Okay.
Because bekasekhasini umuntu nomama balale ngo 4 o'clock and okay because bengahlali nabo but bengasinto engiyenza njalo ke ukuhamba nabe ekhasini ukuya nabe ekhasini I think isikhathi bekumele ngisispende nabo mhlambe mengisuka ku boyfriend maybe ngisitshela ukuthi hayi namhlanje ithi ngiyospenda maybe ilanga eli1 ngibona abantwana angikhona nani ukuhlala nabo into ithi sukuma uhambe nabo ekhasini instead ukuthi mina ngispend isikhathi nabo I couldn't mele ukuthi ngiyobhekana nomshini bona bazohlala lapha ya
Bebukela.
mina ngizobuyisela ekhaya ngazi intatha lezo 4 5 obvious they are missing school.
So basicedile isikolo kwamanje.
Yeah, lo mdala sekana 23 uqedile isikolo.
Okay.
Yeah, and then lo munye ku matric ke.
Okay. So umama wakho the time ebakhulisa like if you can say what can you miss ngomama wakho?
Yo. Mina I had a great mom. Yeah, my mom was great. Ngihlala ngisho my mom was great because if okumunye umama hayi bengeka imeli like wayezongiduba maybe nabantwana.
Sure.
But I had a great mom and I think beka believer kuNkulunkulu and angeke ngize ngimkhohle because she always beyanginikeza hope. Beyangangixoshi beyangivaleli ngaphandle. Beyahlala nginike hope every time ukuthi yazi kuzoba right. Sometimes kuze kube buhlungu nakimi ngimbona phuma inyembezi khala like angabelieve ukuthi izinto zami vele ziyaphela ngempela ziqedwa ile yandawo but she believed in me because ngikhulisile and she knew amandla benginawo ukuthengisa like business yokuthengisa was booming.
Sure.
And naye yele yawela kuye because I remember bengithengisa ama cake and yagcina seyiwela kumama that business and naye that business bemsebenzela kakhulu because abantwana basekhaya bebase boarding school so ukuthi leyo mali leyo siyakwazi ukuthi ayithathe support nayo ngaya abantwana so like she knew like ukhono bami.
Yes.
Ziningi izinto engizenzile nasemphakathini ezinye bezenza ukuthi abanye abantu babe right.
Okay.
Yeah, so beka believe kimi kakhulu ukuthi one day ngizoba right.
I don't hear you mentioning your father. Ubaba wakho yena ubekuphi ngaleso sikhathi?
Ubaba ngithi ushone ngakabi ukhumbula ubaba ushone
ngakabi. Pain. Yeah, I wanted actually to ask about family members.
Yeah.
Bapha bomalume, bapha bo auntie ngaleso sikhathi.
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ekhaya sikhule si10 ngithi 5 yahamba ya ekhaya mina number 6 ngasala nale 5 e5 yele yahamba behlala kubo malume eKZN and KZN bokuyindawo right like malume mama was well off bokumuntu right and bekathanda abantu he was giving like bokumalume o like ebantwaneni bakasisi wakhe but ke ukhumbule mina ngaleso sikhathi bengisele kuphi eGoli bengisele emuva and ukusala kwami eGoli that time bekusasele ikhathi zabo zama comrade kakhulu bekusase ikhathi zama like bekusase rough into engayisho bekusase rough bekungana ukuthi nginobhuti omdala ongigadile ukuthi ungayenzi kanje ubamba la kuyashisa so sisandla la kushisa khona like everything ngimbe right bengizenzela hence I'm saying ukuthi ku matric yabona bese ngicala ngijoina wrong company ngishaya idayizi ngiqala ukubhema ngicala ukutshontsha I remember shoplifting.
Sure.
Yeah, ngene ngadlula ku shoplifting and shoplifting ngiyakhumbula mengiyeka acishe ngaboshwa vele and I was like yo ekhaya abantu aba right mebe ngawuza ukuthi ngenza into eziso but ngalelo langa ngicishe ngiboshwa ngalo waba ukustopa kwami ke
Shoplifting, like what kind of, yeah.
amashop ukutshontsha impahla.
Okay.
Yeah.
So easy peasy, ubotshontsha impahla kuphela.
Yeah, ngitshontsha impahla like you know mosakhula. Ay boma 18 19 years. Yeah, uqala ngokutshontsha emashop ngithi uyazi mhlawumbe ngitshontsha ubugwayi, ngitshontsha ubusweet up
Sure.
until you join amabandla ngamabandla.
So utshontsha kanjani impahla because asifani nokudla?
Emashop uba neskill yazi.
Sure, I'm just thinking.
Mina bese ngine skill angifuna uqamba amayazi. Yeah, but ngiyakhumbula before ngizoboshwa. Angitshontsha kwenye shop engengibize ngegama. Ngiyakhumbula nje ngangena kuyo, mengena kulo shop and on that day bengahambi negenge yami. Bengihamba ngi1. I was like namhlanje ngi1 ngena kwenye shop yakhona ngiyabona ama light acinyiwe. I'm like la kunanogesi. Athi ngithatha ama chance ngene and then ngena kwami. Khumbula ngifake something like tracksuit or ezibhekayo. And I was like yo ayile ngiyithanda vele you pick. Khetha ngamehlo angithi vele. So I'm like khethe ngamehlo ngayithatha ngayizipulula and I was like la sengizophuma kanti one yama security ngibonile.
Okay.
Yeah ngijikisa vele eminyango ukuthi uhlala nobani but ngangakatholi ukuthi futhi ungibambile or but the way wangi interview ukuthi uhlala nobani ekhaya and I was young ngithi ngithole baba ngibuza ukuthi uhlala nobani and ekugcineni vele makasho kimi ukuthi uyenzelani lento uyenzayo.
Sure.
Ngiboshiwe ke manje and she was like hayi namhlanje ke uyagcina ngizokufundisa isifundo and I remember asambise officeini uhambela phambili ngisemuva beka hambela phambili I think kimi ngazora ubuntwana or angeke ngize ngithi ubuntwana but ngiyakhumbula ngalolu langa nje beka yaphambili ngazipulula fast I took that lento ngangifake kimi ngayibuyisela ngayilahlela yena ngaboni ngazipa and then ngangena ke eofficeini labo mele ukuthi bayangisearcha ngithi and then mele abize maybe a female security ezokwazi ukuthi ngisearch.
Sure.
So what mengisearch thola ukuthi vele ayisekho this thing
Nama camera akekho ngaleso sikhathi.
inyiwa ngithi nami ngathatha advantage because ngangibona vele ukuthi kunama light la athi ngithatha ama chance wami so ngasinda ke kanjalo and then I think shoplifting ngayigcina ke lapha I was like ngizibona sengiboshiwe ngithi yo Nemir.
How did you stop gambling? Like where it's final now, you are taking a decision. Yeah, stop and you gamble.
Remember bese ngigambule for iminyaka and ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo emakhasini abantu abangazazi.
Okay.
Actually casino it's another world. Omunye umhlaba abantu abangawazi. Like we don't live asiphili njengabanye abantu. Casino it's another world. It's a painful world. Actually lapha kunosizi but mongena you could think when ukuthi hayi labantu laba ba happy. Like siqhatha usizi sonke lapha. Akukho right and kuleyo minyaka I was like bengilangazelela nami bengithandaza ukuthi ngicela kuyeka lento.
Okay.
But ayiyekeki. Like iminyaka ngeminyaka ngizama ukuthi okay mengayenza le so mhlambe kuzoyekeka. But I remember 2008 ngathola kunalento abayibiza ngokuthi it's a self exclusion yase casino mengabe sofuna ukuyeka uyazibona ukuthi problem they give you that form ukuthi you sign yourself ukuthi mina ngibona ningangibopha kumele ningixoshe. That's that agreement oyisanayo so ngayisayina and ngiyakhumbula bang interview ukuthi okay so sikusayinela for ukuthi uyeka manje usazofuna ukubuya or in. I was like please ban me for life. Ngisayifuna ikhasini like ngifuna ukuyeka yabona and then ngayisayina ukuyisana kwami unfortunately bengine neighbor nami ebeyigembula but akekho umuntu owazi this thing iba privilege into yabo so this neighbor kusho ukuthi bengasangiboni emakhasini like ibe worried izizongibheka hawu angisakubona endaweni so and I'm like yo hayi mina sengisayine this thing sengiyekile and he was like uyekile mara mufuna ukubuyela man masahambe yabona and I'm like obviously edge iba khona angithi that's why usayine le yanto wenzela ukuthi this edge uyayibulala ngokusayina but this man mayfika kimi ingikhuthaza it's like yakukhuthaza ukuthi asibheme futhi you understand and I was like ngiyasaba ukubuyela because bathe bazongibopha and ngiphoyisa and ngiyasaba like
Not
yabo.
making sense. Yeah.
And he was like, hayi ngeke baningi abantu ababuyayo lapho. Angeke baze bakubone. You can just wear your sunglasses or ufake noma unga disguise so that bangeke baze bakubone. I shy disguise.
Sure.
Nga disguise.
So inte kusizile ile signature lo wayisign that day because of
Azange ngisize. Nga disguise ngabuyela naye e-casino njengoba ngitshelile vele. I'm like, let me wear my sunglasses and wear my ngibuyele. And then mengibuyela ngiyabona vele how it's normal abangiboni mos ngidlala amazaza ngidlala isigqoko yabona just nje disguise ukuthi bangangibhaqi ukuthi usayinile mos. So after sometimes obviously ngikhathela ngeke ngilo ngigembula emshinini ngifaka ama sunglasses or then ukuzikhumula kwami I'm like how abanandaba mos la kanti bayangibona like labantu kumele bangixoshe naba like it's normal kanti kuyeke kanjani like yabona kwaba kubuyela. And then up until ngo 2017 yes enough was enough and I was like I'm enough and akiyekeki like into engayenza.
Sure.
Yeah, ngo November nge 27 ngo 2017 ngibonasile ke ibonus yami every November and shaya ibonus yonke and mengithi ngiyabheka ngakabhadali umuntu and ngapha ngigijimiswa ama West Bank afuna imoto yayo uyabona. So I'm like yazini
Sure.
hi today is today ngiyakhuphuka ama stepisi ngiyobabuza kule casino ukuthi ningiyekela kanjani like because I've signed a self exclusion ngibona ukuthi ngiyi problem.
Sure.
So that's how ke I stop because I fought ngalelo langa like ngalwa like I was crazy ngaphenduka I don't know ukuthi kanjani but something nje leyafika ukuthi I need to fight this.
Sure.
So ngafight again nama casino management ngalelo langa I think bokuyintatha kusa futhi and then ngaphuma e-casino maybe ngaboma 4 angisakhumbula but it was around 4.
You were fighting about bese casino.
Yeah, nama security and they don't want umsindo, they don't want
So baluselani.
fight ukuthi why ningiyeke like I went crazy ukuthi I've signed this self exclusion why ningayi enforce because ngiyangibona ukuthi ngisayinisa ukuthi I'm a problem gambler.
Sure.
So why ningiyeke so bathe mebangiyeka okay after that fight ngithe ngihamba. And then I think after aboma 6 or 6 mengena enye shift le shift beyingena obvious ama security sengwajwayele wonke umuntu sengumntwana lapha 18 years 20 years ngigembula
Sure. Sebayakwazi lapha.
So one security guy ngiyafonela ngibuza ukuthi what happened ngithi why atyo aphinda ubuye because ithombe zakho zigcwele ama bazifaka ama office wonke.
Sure.
Like, noma ungena eminyango sesihlangana nawe and bazozi spreader konke ama casino ukuthi
Uthi
ungasangena
awusafuneki.
sebakulabel as problem gambler.
Sure.
Yeah, because they don't want umuntu ozodisturb ama customers wabo nabo. So bese ngidisturbance wathi ungaphinde because
Sure.
besingena nje sesibona wena.
This is how you ended gambling.
Yeah, so I was like okay, this is it.
Sure. Then come to the ghost. When you think how many ghosts did you date when you estimate?
Yo, it's a lot.
More than 10?
Maybe my 5, 6 ama ghost. Yeah.
Sure. Dated them without any children. It's only because of ufunimali.
But the last goat ke ngacishe ngashona kuyo ke.
Okay.
Thime ngiyekela i-casino. After nje ngiphuma kule nto yase-casino and then saxabana ke ne-ghost lami lokugcina and I remember I was in my uniform ngalelo langa carrying my gun and it was during working hours and ngisasene stress vele sokuthi okay obviously mawuyeke salon e-casino ama consequences wakhona they are more now aza nezinto eziningi.
Sure.
So bengisasene stress vele sokuyekela e-casino and then naye ngapha like verbally owami ke verbally beka strong la but kwathi ngalelo langa kwayenzakala ukuthi ibe physically.
Sure.
Lokho ngisemsebenzini during working hours ngidlulile nje ngithi ayithi ngiyobheka nje yabo. Then mengifika ke that's when yenzakala whatever yenzakala.
Sure.
Gqoka uniform and I still ask myself ukuthi if maybe ngathatha isibhamu ngamdubula but nami ngangidindele vele ukuthi ngalelo langa izoyenzeka mhlambe naye uzosikhipha kimi because isibhamu sami besihleli la kimi.
Sure.
And kwabona umuntu akupressele ngapha uyableeda and I'm like sengimele nje ukuthi qo sokhala mhlawumbe isibhamu or in
But nothing happened.
nothing but nje the blood like was splitting because it was a huge fight.
I think this is not a story for one episode. I think maybe we should come back with part 2 because ngiyabona angifuni ukugcila ngama-question then ama-viewers agcine angayitholanga into because of I have many questions that I can ask but I'm trying to minimize ama-question ukuthi ama-viewers athole i-story the way asola ngakhona even though singakapheleli but just in short what can you advise umuntu okugambling manje who's watching this video?
Yeah, umuntu engam-advise khona manje okule nkinga is to say you are not alone, awukho uyi-one, usangaphuma kule nkinga ukuyo. Ukukhuluma kubalulekile, like angeke uze ubhodlile up uyi-one la ukhona ekugcizeleleni kwami ukuthi nje usizo lukhona. You cannot stay there uhlale la uhleli khona. You must stand up ufuna uncedo. Awukho uyi-one, ebaluleke nje kakhulu ukuthi awukho uyi-one, just get someone ozomthola nje oyi-one ozokhuluma naye, like you need someone ozokhuluma naye umtshele ngale nkinga onayo ukuthi unenkinga so and it's never too late. Like wherever you are, it's never too late. You can still fight this demon. Bengibiza nge-demon. It's a strong demon, but if uzimisele ukuyilwisa le demon lelo ungalilwisa because there's no win. Uzohlala uchase ama-losses wakho ekugcineni there's no win but there's hope. Just nje ukuthi usukume and ufuna uncedo.
In short, before we go to the book, how much do you think you wasted gambling?
Yo, millions.
1 million.
1 million incane kakhulu.
Sure.
Yo.
Which means it's too much than that.
It's too much than that. Yo, 18 years yonke ngisebenza.
Sure.
Imagine salary engihola manje like. Yeah, understand like
Sure.
times are that salaries including imali zabo mashonisa, including imali zasemabhenki lezi umuntu angazibhadali. It's a lot.
Sure.
You end up sometimes uthatha ngoma 100,000 ebank.
Sure.
That 100,000 uyiblowa yonke.
Sure.
Phelele casino.
Then come to ebook, Dice of Despair, a story of addiction and loss, Trump. So this is a book by you, Sibongile Adeline Gabinde.
Yes.
So what inspired you to write this book?
You know my story because gambling I know how deep it is and ubuhlungu engibuzwile lapho for so many years.
Okay.
And ngathi mengiyekela ukugembula ngathi ngihleli
Sure.
ngiyi-one ku-struggle sami and i-therapy yami kwaba ukuthi let me write about my story, let me help other people ngestory sami,
Sure.
let me write for those gamblers who are still trapped and say to them, guys, there's hope.
Sure.
Here's my story, I made it. You can still make it.
Sure.
And that thing yanginikeza ugqozi lokuthi like ngibhale more,
Of
you know. Yeah, ngibhale more ngestory sami ukuthi nami I'm there nani. I remember there's also a poem lapho engibhalile ekugcineni.
yeah, ekugcineni. Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, my gamblers to say, I still see you guys roaming around, not having money. Nishiya abantwana benu, staying a casino, changing clothes every day. Ngaphansi, you know, wearing that 5 clothes. Ufake 3 clothes uyazi ukuthi a day we are change ebusuku.
Yes.
A toilet, like you there's hope, guys.
Sure.
You know, this book, I was like, let me write this book for my fellow gamblers and say, guys, you can make it.
Le ncwadi le uyibhala what time and ucaleni ukuyibhala?
Yo, writing this book was a journey. Remember, I'm not a writer. Yeah, I'm not a writer and
So uyibhala while ugamble.
no.
Okay.
Okay, whilst gambling, I'll write diary. Yeah,
Which is part of this book
which
as well.
is part of this book.
Okay.
Yeah, we go by diary. Some of the stories which this happened, like inspiring is big. And then after during that 5 years, I stopped gamble. And then I started
So when
writing more.
the book is always e-book say it's already say ikhona indaweni itholakala kanjani?
Okay, incwadi okwamanje I'm an independent author.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisaqala and incwadi itholakala straight. I'm doing it self-publishing.
Okay.
So incwadi moyifuna into engenzayo ukuthumela, you just WhatsApp me
Okay.
and then uyangitshela ukuthi ufuna incwadi, you give me your address and then we just nginikeza ama banking details wami and then also ifakile imali mina I deliver the book
Okay.
straight
To
your
you.
house. Yeah, I do ama door to door. If you are not around Soweto, ngifaka ephepha incwadi yakho
Uyayithola.
uyayithola.
Which WhatsApp number?
WhatsApp number it's 072 580 2893.
Okay. So when are you launching this book?
The book is going to be launched in 31 Zaga May
Yes.
at Rodiport Theatre.
Okay.
Yes.
So everyone is invited.
Everyone is invited. The ticket will be sold at 140 rands.
Okay.
Yes.
So any help that you want, you can tell the viewers there concerning the book. Any help that you want,
Any
there
help.
are your viewers. Talk to them.
Okay. Isifiso sami nje ukuthi it's like I'm an independent author.
Yes.
Into engayisho ukuthi ngiphuma ku gambling, I'm still hustling. Ngisa pusha nge survival mode. Yeah, hence ngikhiphile nencwadi and my wish ukuthi, you know, if I could get maybe a sponsor, maybe for this book, maybe for the book launch, or any help nje umuntu ongangisiza ngayo to the book ukuthi ibe impumelelo, abantu bakwazi ukuyithola, ngikwazi nokuthi ngiyilaunche ngendlela right.
Yes.
Yeah, ngajabula kakhulu.
Mama Sibongile Adelaide Nkabinde, the in traffic cop,
Traffic officer
the traffic officer, and the mother to who?
to Nondumiso and
This
Modaro.
is a last thing. What is the message that you can give to Undumiso and the other one?
And Modaro.
Yeah, just 30 seconds. It can be an apology, it can be an appreciation, the memory, a message to them. Talk to them in the camera.
Yo, Nondumiso nomlalo. Abantwana bam ngiyamthanda and thanks ukuthi nikwazi ukubekezelela umama during hard times. Xolise futhi, I don't know ukuthi ngithi ngixolise, but I think niyazi ukuthi umama unithanda kangakanani and ngiyanibonga ukuthi nani nibe nethemba kumama. And I promise ukuthi kuze kube manje, kuze kube siyaphambili bantwana bami, I will never leave you again. And thank you for loving umama wenu, nanoma bekanjani, azange ni give up kumama. And I promise ukuthi from now on, umama akusena la yakhona, uzohlala nginani, ngiyanibonga and ngiyanithanda futhi kakhulu.
Thank you so much, Mama Sibongile. Kubalekile sometimes to speak while you are still alive. And then I say like Gifted Media to have such book. I never been emotional like this, but this book make me emotional. Even the fact that abantwana bakho bakhuliswa ugogo. I also one of a product owakhuliswa ugogo because of my umama engahlali eduze nathi because of many circumstances that I won't mention it now. But she's now in the place of resting as well, no gogo. So I've learned ukuthi kunabo gogo outside who are playing a great role. Mina angilazi uthando luka mama, but I know very well uthando luka gogo wami. Today I'm a son of God because gogo wayengise esontweni and then never bengilala bengayifuni endaba yesonto. But sekalele as much ukuthi now after 2 months then things come back. Now you want to see that person appreciate but akaseko. Now I wanted that opportunity to say, Gogo, thank you, but unfortunately, sekalele. But anyway, siyabonga Sisibongile. I believe babukeli bethu they are going to support Sisibongile the way as we can. Ngiyanicela ngisho emsebenzini, ngicela nimsupporteni. Ama colleagues, ngiyanicela before bamsupporta ngaphandle ngicela nje lapha emaphoyiseni lapho ngiyanicela bosayijeni bo-commander, please support your colleague, support your umuntu enihlala eduzane naye. She need i-support kule ncwadi ukuthi iye phambili. Let's make sure siyayisupporta, and also to Esowethu, to the family, let's make sure to South Africa we support uSibongile, and we want to see i-gambling ithi kuyehla phansi. We know ukuthi casino siyawathanda, but sorry, because abantu bayalimala, abantu bagcine baba nezikoloto, abantu bagcine bebulalana. So this is the book, this is the solution that we need by buying the book and also recommending a book, and also Sisibongile, it's available to everywhere la nimdinga khona. Please nimbuke and make sure we support the book. Bafethu, thank you so much uhlala nathi. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. And I want to know, what did you learn today? Please leave it on the comment box. If you are watching until now, I will see by typing that what you learned today through Usibongile and also the book. Please write it down and let's meet again to the next episode. Amen.